Is Albanian hard to learn? Albanian is consistently rated as a challenging language for English speakers, but not for the most common reasons. It's not hard because of tonal systems or complex verb tenses. It is hard because Albanian has essentially no common vocabulary with English or other major European languages. It sits alone with the Indo-European family with roots that do not connect to Latin, Germanic, or Slavic languages. That means your vocabulary base starts from zero. On the positive side, Albanian phonology is consistent, and there is no grammatical gender for nouns in the same way as French or Spanish. With structured daily study, most learners reach basic conversational level in 4 to 6 months. How to learn Albanian? Albanian has fewer structured learning resources than major European languages, so your sequence matters more than it would for Spanish or French. In the first 2 weeks, focus only on pronunciation. Albanian has sounds that do not exist in English, and establishing correct pronunciation early prevents habits that are difficult to correct later. From week 3, build core vocabulary in themed categories, like food, transport, numbers, and greetings. Use those words in short, spoken sentences as soon as you introduce them. From month 2, move to sentence structure and grammar, specifically the noun case system and verb conjugation patterns. Tips on learning Albanian. Here are 3 practical tips for Albanian learners. First is to prioritize pronunciation before vocabulary. Albanian has sounds that English speakers do not produce naturally, which have no English equivalents, and get these right before building your word bank. Second, learn the definite article system early. In Albanian, definiteness is marked by a suffix attached to the noun. This pattern affects nearly every sentence you produce. Third is to use native speaker audio daily. Knowing which variety your resources use helps you build a consistent accent from the start. And Ling's Albanian course includes native speaker audio throughout.